Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're seeing this video, and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Irene and you're welcome to Hairstyle Ideas. On this channel we share different hairstyle ideas. So today I'm going to be showing you, or is a tutorial on how to do stitch braids. You guys, these are beginners friendly. You can try any one of them. Okay, I kind of compiled this thing from TikTok. It's actually TikTok stitch braids compilation, beginner friendly. Okay, so if you're already a pro, you can do this particular one you're seeing now. She's doing it with her middle, yeah, her, yes, her is it no, it's not middle finger, index finger, you guys. So she uses her index fingers to go in and she uses her middle finger to come in. Sorry if you're hearing any background noise. So yeah, this one's for people who are already pro and who can do them with their fingers. But there are other videos which you're going to see in this clip or in this video too that are beginner friendly. People who use needle, people who use comb, people who use different techniques. And of course you're going to apply a gel, that gel up that you can use. You see this person is using a comb. Okay, so there are different ways you can use to achieve these stitch braids. I'm sure you already know what stitch braids are. If you don't know, don't worry, by the time you finish watching this video you will understand the particular what we actually mean by stitch braids. So I actually got these videos from TikTok because I feel like a lot of people don't understand how these braids are made, and a lot of people want to know or find out how to make this particular hair. So this is actually beginner friendly. Any method at all that you want to use, any method, if it's to use comb, to get that dividing, yeah, or you can use it to do with your fingers. Some people, maybe because of their nails, they can't actually do with their fingers, because there are people who can braid hair with their nails done. So whichever method that you want to use, you're going to see it in this video. So please hit that red subscribe button. That's if you have not subscribed already. For more hair videos, you guys, what we do on this channel is everything hair, from different hairstyles, ideas, to haircuts, to nails, to anything beauty. Okay, that's what we do on this channel. So subscribe for more videos. Okay, I'll see you later, but make sure you watch to the end because there are different techniques that you're going to see. Actually, this one is I think the longest one you're going to see. Other ones are kind of shorter and they're very simple and easy to make. You can learn them even if you're not a hairdresser. After watching this video, you can still, if you have hair that you can use to try, yeah, you can always use it and try it out and see if you can. And gradually you're going to learn. This one is doing with her nails, okay, and comb, you see, and needle too. So yeah, I guess you learn fast, sharp. So thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, thank you so much. Watch to the end. I'll see you guys.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.